This is a video of a 1985 Casablanca Panama Intellitouch. So I'm going to go through the speeds and then put it in reverse using the Flik Mode, which happens to be using only the light switch. No Intellitouch control whatsoever. So that turns on the fan. There you go. And here it is. You can't really see the label, but there's the best I can do for it. And those are the shades that I found separately. They're not the ones, there weren't any that came with the fan, so I just found those. So, Flik Mode. First I'll go through, first show you convert it from reverse to forward. So let's go through all the speeds first here. On. Now, one more flick. Let's let it go to high. Six total speeds. Okay. Turn off the light. That cuts off the light. And this will take it to reverse. 2 flicks of the light switch. I normally don't do that off the high, but I did for the video. There we go. And it's downdraft. Now I'm going to go through all the speeds, showing you how they actually are. Light back on. Okay, it's slow enough. Let me get that Flik Mode started again. That's going to be low. Okay. This is second speed. Third speed. I guess this is the technical medium. It's a nice speed to have on just for sitting, not too fast. It gives good air. But we'll do 3 more speeds. Fourth speed. Go to 5 here. That will remain on 5 until we can take it to 6. This is the final and highest speed. And that's high. And that concludes the video.